How to clear Twitter search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of How to Guide. If you don't want other people to see your search history on your Twitter account, then in this video let me show you how you can easily remove all of your existing search history on your Twitter account. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First of all, let's open up the Twitter app. And once you open up your app, you can tap on the search icon or the magnifying glass icon on the bottom. Once you tap on it, you can see all of your recent searches. Whether they may be any terms or any accounts or profiles that you search, you can remove all of them. You can either tap and hold particular searches, and then you can see this menu from where you can just tap on clear, or if you want to clear all of the search history all at once, you can also do that by tapping on the cross icon on the top right. Once you tap on it, you can see this menu again, which says this can't be undone, and you'll remove all of your recent searches. So if you agree, just tap on clear, and all of the searches that you've added in or searched on your account of Twitter will be successfully removed. So that's how exactly you can clear your Twitter search history. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.